Hi everybody, this is Carsten from Junhua. Right after CHINAPLAS, we are here at Junhua's headquarters for the relocation ceremony of their new smart factory. After the ceremony, we joined the team for a factory tour to see how PEEK actually moves from material to real-world applications. Now we are in Junhua's showroom, where you can see how PEEK is used across different industries. What Junhua has been focusing on is pretty clear. Build a fully integrated PEEK value chain. From resin polymerization to profile extrusion all the way to precision machining, it's about not just making a material, but making it consistently usable. For example, at the Shandong Junhua site, every operation one of the largest 6,000-liter polymerization reactor among domestic manufacturers, which helps ensure stable and scalable PEEK production. Now we are at the extrusion workshop. Multiple lines are running steadily, continuously producing PEEK profiles. Next is the semiconductor machining workshop, where both precision and environmental control are taken to a higher level, supporting more advanced applications. Inside the workshop, you will also see AGVs moving around, handling material transport automatically. This visit really gives a clear picture. Behind every material, there's a complete system making it work. If you are interested in PEEK materials or related applications, feel free to reach out and have a conversation.